Conjugation of the verb to have in 12 English tenses. 1. Simple present, I have. 2. Simple past, I had. 3. Simple future, I will have. 4. Present continuous, I am having. 5. Past continuous, I was having. 6. Future continuous, I will be having. 7. Present perfect, I have had. 8. Past perfect, I had had. 9. Future perfect, I will have had. 10. Present perfect continuous, I have been having. 11. Past perfect continuous, I had been having. 12. Future perfect continuous, I will have been having. Conjugation of the verb to have. She, he or it. 1. Simple present, he, she or it has. 2. Simple past, he, she or it had. 3. Simple future, he, she or it will have. 4. Present continuous, he, she or it is having. 5. Past continuous, he, she or it was having. 6. Future continuous, he, she or it will be having. 7. Present perfect, he, she or it has had. 8. Past perfect, he, she or it had had. 9. Future perfect, he, she or it will have had. 10. Present perfect continuous, he, she or it has been having. 11. Past perfect continuous, he, she or it had been having. 12. Future perfect continuous, he, she or it will have been having. Conjugation of the verb to have. You, we or they. 1. Simple present, you, we or they have. 2. Simple past, you, we or they had. 3. Simple future, you, we or they will have. 4. Present continuous, you, we or they are having. 5. Past continuous, you, we or they were having. 6. Future continuous, you, we or they will be having. 7. Present perfect, you, we or they have had. 8. Past perfect, you, we or they had had. 9. Future perfect, you, we or they will have had. 10. Present perfect continuous, you, we or they have been having. 11. Past perfect continuous, you, we or they had been having. 12. Future perfect continuous, you, we or they will have been having. Verb to have forms. Present simple I, you, we, they have. He, she, it has. Past simple had. Past participle had. Ing form having.